There is a seat waiting for you at the tables that you haven't even seen. True, hindi kasi lahat ay napapagplanuhan. Hindi lahat ng plano natin ay masusunod. Hindi lahat ng mga plano natin ay matutupad. Dahil isa lang naman ang merong kontrol sa buhay natin, and that is our God. But that doesn't mean to say that you should just stop and wait. Do something. Push that door so you would see what's in there. Maybe you'll see a table that there is an available seat only waiting for you. Ang sarap lang talagang isipin na yung akala natin ito lang yung kaya natin, meron pa pala tayong mas kayang gawin, meron pa palang mas magandang opportunity na darating, at akala natin end of the world na, this is it, hanggang dito na lang ako, pero dami pa palang pangarap ni Lord para sa atin, at ang dami pa pala niyang plano for us. So you keep praying, you ask for guidance always, and do not limit yourself. Do not limit yourself. I know there is more. Take that leap. Take that risk. And you'll never know what's gonna happen after.